up, guys? What up? How you doing? This is Aisha, but most people call me Isha for short. Welcome to my casa. Mi casa, su casa. So, grab a seat. Let's chit chat. I got a sandwich here from Ike's. I'm not sure if you guys know what that is, but it's a sandwich spot here in Arizona. And this one is actually really good. I think it's called Fill Her Up KC Barbecue or Barbecue KC. Something like that is the name of the sandwich. It's actually really, really good. And they have these beer battered onion rings. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like onions. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to pull this little onion right out of its skin, and I'm going to eat the batter part. And I'm sure you guys wondering why I get onion rings if you don't like the onion, because I like the batter part. So I'm gonna eat that. And this is just trash. But welcome to the channel. My channel's name is Swaggish Eating. So of course, you know, I'm gonna be swaggish. Bring my little, you know, swag to the casa. And I'm always be eating something. Yeah, I'll be trying like different stuff. Each time I come on my channel here, come here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna eat next time, but this is today's pick. Excuse me. And if any of you guys here in Arizona, you should go by and check them out. This sandwich actually is pretty good. And they do sell hot sandwiches, unless, you know, you prefer it to be cold, but they're known for hot sandwiches. But I know some of you guys may know me from. So today, guys, we will be doing a get to know me tag, and that's going to be the questions we asked by my lovely Nisha. Hi. Oh, that was a pickle. So you guys will get to know me. But if I hadn't said it, welcome to my spot.
You ready?
I am. Let her rip, boo.
Okay, your first question is, what's your name? Which you already told us, but...
My name is Aisha, but I usually go by Aisha because most people can't pronounce my name. They always mispronounce it because of the spelling.
Does your name mean anything?
If my name does have a meaning, I'm sure that it does. I have no idea what it is, guys, because I haven't looked it up. But I'm sure it is. It's actually a popular name. You guys know that song by ABC, Another Bad Creation? Aisha, you want that song? I used to hate that. I used to hate that song. But I think my name is dope.
If you had to change your first name, what would you change it to?
I don't know. I guess if it had to be a name, I'm not sure specifically what kind of name, but if it had like I wish sometimes it would be cool. Sometimes I think about it being cool, like if I had one of those names where within your name you could turn into a nickname. Like say my name was Moesha. Most people will call me short Mo, if that makes sense. And that's the name my brother, suggested to my mother, and she said no. Her name is Aisha. Shout out to my mother, because I'm glad. But Moesha is a cute name too, but I think about that. But other than that, I'm cooling with my own name.
Where are you from?
I am from Dallas, Texas. Born and raised. I've lived in a small town, like kind of, I don't want to say outside of Dallas, but maybe like, I don't know how many miles Terrell, Texas is from Dallas, but I remember when I was younger, I was out there a lot of, I feel like I was out there a pretty good solid few years of my younger years, but I was originally born in Dallas, and I was raised in Dallas for the most part.
What are your best characteristics?
I'm a person of my word, and I think I'm a pretty genuine person. I'm a really nice person. I think too nice to a fault. Very dependable. Something that's gonna be like real mellow, unless you take me to a place that I don't really want to be in, then I can
What is your favorite thing about yourself?
I'll say I'm the one thing I like about myself, the most about myself, would be adaptable.
What is your best physical feature?
That's easy, my tongue. I'm just playing. I would have to say maybe my smile. It could be my smile. I don't know. You know what? I don't know. I ain't really thought about it. I don't know. Maybe I just got like low key, like kind of bashful. I don't know. I ain't never really thought about it. What you think, boo? Yeah, I would to say my smile. Actually, you know what? I'm lying. I do know what it is. It's actually my baby face. I'm gonna go with that. It has to be one of the two. You feel me? So one of the two.
If I had to choose, you already know what mine would be.
I do.
What is it?
My stomach. But the reason why I didn't mention that, I didn't mention my stomach, is because 90% of the time I have clothes on. You feel me? Unless I'm going to work out, or if I'm just walking around the house, or if I'm going to bed. But just, shirtless all the time, it doesn't really happen. I'm not a guy, so I don't know. But that's the only reason why I didn't mention that. That should have been the top one, but I went with that.
What is your biggest fear?
Probably it would be in between drowning, because I don't know how to swim, or it would be dying, because I'm not comfortable with that yet. I've experienced death way too much. Like, it's been a constant thing in my life. So if I had to say, it's gonna be one or the other. But I guess if I had to choose one, probably drowning, because then that's gonna end in death. So I'd just say drowning.
What is your biggest regret?
Probably overlooking the numerous opportunities that I've had up until to this day.
What inspires you?
I would have to say support from the one that's closest to me, and you know, to a degree, other people's success. Yeah, I would have to say the genuine support from the person that's closest to me.
What is the most important thing in your life?
I would have to say my free will. Because I'm not really sure what direction it's going when they say that, but I would have to say free will because I have the freedom to pretty much do anything that I want to do. Yeah.
What has required the most courage of you in your life so far? These is deep questions.
Yo. I need a shot for these. But they're actually really great questions. To be honest, I would have to say sharing my life with someone else. I think that takes a lot of courage. To, you know, put yourself out there. Oh no, I'm lying. That is true, but the one thing I feel like it will have to be apologizing when I'm wrong. I think that takes a lot of courage. Yeah, having the awareness to be able to apologize when I'm wrong. I feel like that's challenged my courageousness a lot, actually.
Okay, this is gonna be your last question, baby, because it's like 100 and something. If you had more courage, what would you do differently in your life now?
Take way more risks and fail like no one else. Like I would take more risks, and if they lead to failure, I just, you know, figure out something else and do something else. Yeah. So, move on. So those were just some questions from the lovely, you know, to bring you guys in a little bit to my world, a little bit about me. I'm not sure what the recording schedule will be for me to, you know, upload more videos and like how many times or what time. I will have to get back to you guys on next. I'm not really sure right now, but you can definitely expect more videos from me. Make sure you like, you comment, you share, and if you have any other additional questions about me that you would like to know, feel free to comment below. Make sure you subscribe. Hey, why not? You guys might as well come on into my spot too and enjoy yourselves. We can, you know, sip a little wine. I don't know, maybe do some push-ups. Hell, we know we're gonna eat, but I don't know. You don't never know what you're gonna get.